Hi guys, SEO Viewer here with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube script from scratch within 5 minutes. We all know the importance of making YouTube scripts, whether we're tired of fumbling through with our words through multiple takes for our YouTube videos, or we're unsure what to say. So I'm going to get into it right now. The first thing we're going to do is, assuming you're starting from scratch, is we're going to go to the Live Niches tool, select a category and a niche, and start the analysis. What this does is it gives us both the video title and the selected audience from a video idea that correlates with the niche, so that we can get started with creating a script, which is really helpful. So I'm going to take this video idea, copy and paste it into another file, and then the target audience. And we're going to head down to our Agentic Script tool. We can copy and paste our video title or topic. Pick the video type, which can be educational, entertainment, product review, how-to guide, vlog, personal, commentary, storytelling, documentary. For this case, I think this is going to be educational. We'll keep the video duration at 3 to 8 minutes, but you can make it short, long, or extended. The target audience will be budget travelers, so we'll include that here as well. And then we'll adopt a script tone, where you can be professional, casual, humorous, inspirational, authoritative, or friendly. In this case, I think this casual would be best. And this script generation process consists of 7 steps. It takes a couple of minutes for it to generate, but once it's done, you'll have a complete script that you can read off of, and you can either copy it to a Google document or a Microsoft Word file if you so wish, or save it as a text file that you can read off of the notepad. So I'm gonna wait here and cut back to you once this generation is done. Okay, so the generated script is complete. So what it does here is it gives you the video script title, and then the various sections, as well as music cues. Yeah, this is pretty nice. So if you'd like to try to create scripts of your own for your YouTube videos using this tool, I have links in both the description and the pinned comment. Thank you for your time, and I hope the information presented here was helpful.